You are going to love the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.